Okay, so today I'm going to talk about an organism grouped under protostomes, and these are snails. So, a little bit about them. So, they are under the phylum Mollusca and the class Gastropoda. So, some of the characteristics that the phylum Mollusca have are the presence of an open circulatory system, a body cavity, as well as a well developed digestive system, and a large muscular foot. In regards to gastropoda class in particular, they typically have a shell that covers their moist, soft bodies, the presence of a large foot again, and the ability to perform torsion. The common name are snails, and their scientific name is Cornu aspersum, which is more so for a garden snail. So typically, snails live in green spaces such as in forests, wetlands, fields, or gardens. So as a result, their habitat allows them to feed on various crops, leaves, berries, lettuce, and more. But snails can also be found in harsher climates, such as those with cooler temperatures, or even really hot temperatures, such as deserts. So, in these habitats, snails are able to grab their food, such as a leaf, with their radula. So, radula consists of their jaw, and this includes thousands of teeth that are very, very small. And the radula grabs the food while the jaw is able to separate the food into different pieces. And I have this video here for y'all. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the predator and prey relationships within snails. So one predator of snails would actually be beetle larvae. So they have two ways of eating snails, and that's either they will crush the snail if the beetle is large enough, or they will enter the snail's shell. Another predator of the snail would be small mammals. Their strategy is to create a hole in the snail's shell and remove the snail's body from its shell in order to eat it. And even larger animals, such as turkeys, they'll just simply eat the snail's whole. So, due to certain predator and prey relationships, snails were able to possess unique evolved traits. Specifically, in the beetle example, snails evolved to possess more obstructed apertures. This is in response to beetles trying to extract the snail from its shell in order to eat them. On the other hand, another evolved trait is their ability to produce mucus. By doing so, they're able to stop predators due to their stickiness and suddenness. Moreover, the mucus may have chemicals that are not very favorable for predators. Next, I'm going to talk about where snails are located on the tree of life. They're in the domain Eukarya and under the kingdom in Amelia. The specific phylum they are under are protostomes. So protostomes are divided into two phylums in which snails fall under the Olophocotrochozoa phylum. More specifically, snails are present in the phylum Mollusca that exists under that phylum. And here's a little tree. So in regards to the ecosystem and humankind, snails are a big impact. Some snails are able to consume decaying matter, which aids in the process of decomposition. Moreover, their feces aid in the process of soil formation as well. So moreover, snails help in the process of pollination. So snails may feed on flowers, and after consuming it, the pollen grains attach to their body, and as they move to a different flower, it is transported. So through that process, they're able to allow for plants to reproduce. Excuse me. Another example in which snails have a huge impact on their ecosystem is that their shells provide shelters for other organisms after they have passed. And here are the citations. And that is the end. Thank you.